Happy Halloween! I have found myself very, very close to Halloween and still wanting to make a Halloween project, and I have left myself no time in which to make anything. So I have been racking my brain, digging through my stash of craft kits and supplies and books and ideas, looking for something I could do in like an hour. I was this close to thinking I might not be able to get a Halloween video out at all this year, but I did find something that, fingers crossed, will go really quickly. I found Appliqué. These are some iron-on applique kits, most likely from the 90s. They are by a company called What's New Limited. So we've got 58102 Witch and 58103 Cat with Pumpkin. They did make 4 others, so there are 6 designs shown on the back, but I have these 2. There we go. There's no date on these, but they're super 90s. And actually, like, you think about like the ugly 80s sweater, I think by the time you get to the 90s, they weren't ugly sweaters so much as there were definitely some ugly sweatshirts. Definitely had some ugly sweatshirts in the 90s. So I think that's going to be kind of fun. Kit includes die cut shapes with Fuso Bond already applied. So you are supposed to be able to just peel and iron these on. Peel and stick, but peel and iron. Then, of course, the question is, what do I applique them onto? I was looking for a sweatshirt so I could do the ugly 90s sweatshirt, but I had a lot of trouble finding one, actually. What I did find, though, was this orange cardigan for $1. I don't know how the Fuso Bond is going to work with the knit fabric here. I also don't know for sure that it's going to still fuse. So this might end in disaster. But we're gonna try it. And it was only $1 and it'll still be an ugly 90s cardigan. And then if that doesn't work, or if it goes really, really well, I did go buy a brand new plain black sweatshirt. So I don't know which of these is going to go on which garment. I don't know if I'm even going to do both. We're gonna start with the cardigan, and I think what I'll need to do is just open these up, place them on the cardigan, and see which one I like better. Hi, buddy. And so the last part of this is the edging of the applique. Now, proper applique, you go around with your machine or by hand sewing and do like a zigzag stitch or something like that. Ain't nobody got time for that. That is not what this project is, and that is not what these call for. These call for puffy paint. We're gonna dive into these applique sets and see how big they are and see how they will look on this orange cardigan. And then I just need to get to ironing. And of course, the cat thinks he's the applique. What are you doing? Oh look, it's got a cute little handcrafted with love and also screams 90s. Thank you. He's gone. Don't have any idea where that goes. We have her hair. There's a cat and another cat. And you're just gonna keep messing things up, huh? Wow, why does her face look like that? That is like a really severe chin. Yeah, I think I'm gonna want to give her a cute round face. Oh, she is way taller than I realized. Her hat may need to be all the way up there. That's the pocket. Oh, these are the insides of her sleeves. Okay. And then she still has a broom. It's in 2 pieces. And then you gotta get them straight. And then we have an extra cat. So I could give her 2 cats or put the other one on the back because it is supposed to be designed for back included. Oh my goodness, did they put like a little pearl necklace on the cat? That might be way too tall for this one, but I kind of like it. Okay, so I gotta pack this up and let's open up the other one and see what that looks like. We have our black cat on a very tall pumpkin. And then cat goes there. What are you? Oh, that's the tuxedo. I could leave that off. and make it be Toby. Wouldn't that be cute if I could curl around the button? I don't have enough room for that though. Here's the cat's face. That looks like a pear. Why is it shaped like that? I don't like that one. So do I like that better or the witch? It's cute. Okay, now I think I need to lay them out on the black and just see which combo I like better. Now this, I am kind of tempted to just let it be a Toby, although you really can't see it, can you? Here is option number 1 with the witch on this black sweatshirt and the cat on the orange cardigan. And this extra cat, if I did it on the sweatshirt, I'd probably put it on the back, like at the back of the neck. Or I could save it for a different project. Now to flip them around and see if I have a preference. Well, I still have a black cat on the cardigan. Toby. Toby. Hi. You're in the way. You don't care, do you? I really like them both on the orange, and it's a much higher contrast. So, oh, I could put a little cat on the sleeve. So now I can't decide, and I need to decide just one or the other over here. You are messing it up, Toby. I wonder if it works to put both the witch and the cat with the pumpkin there and then just leave off the little black cats. Wonder if that could work. I really do like the witch on the orange cardigan, and I like the cat being right on the pocket like that. Not entirely sure that this is enough contrast for the black cat, but again, as much as I like both things on the orange cardigan, I still don't know how it will work. If this fuso bond even works at all, I don't know how it will work on this knit fabric. I don't know, it's really cute. I do want to see what it would look like if they were both on here. So hang on. Yeah or no? I think the cat is just way too big. But it sure would make for a good ugly sweater, wouldn't it? Just the witch and cat? Maybe? After moving them back and forth a few times, I've decided that the witch definitely just needs to be on the sweater. The vibe matches better. So I'm gonna start there. I'm gonna do the witch on the sweater. Decision partially made. I have pinned it down with just the slightest amount of stretch in the knit so that it will have some give when I put it on. Hopefully that will help the applique stay adhered better. So now we're just gonna lay it out and iron. Dude, no, 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 no. Seriously. Made it worse. So I tried to clean it, not realizing I had some on my finger too. So this is a moldy pumpkin, I guess. While I wish I'd gotten the placement a little higher, I really am happy with this witch. But I'm kind of mad at myself because I think I went on autopilot and ironed on the little cat, forgetting all about the idea of swapping the little cat for the big one and only making one garment, and I really wish I had done that. But, you know, now I have two garments, and if I ever come across another one of these kits, maybe I'll just put it on the back of the sweater. I forgot just how infuriating puffy paint is to work with. I was also just too afraid to go around all of the edges, so I kind of just did some key places here, but if the edges start to fray, I may have to do that in the future. I might go over the messed up bit with some orange lines as like the ridges of the pumpkin, but it was wet from my attempt to clean it and that has to wait. Overall, this was fast and fun, especially if you skip the puffy paint altogether, which is good to know because I have a few more applique kits to do. If you are interested in more crafty Halloween hijinks, my previous 2 Halloween videos are on your screen. Thank you so much for watching, have a spooky Samhain, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Are you kidding me right now, dude? Not a care in the world.